Hello. Today I'm going to be doing a another stage in my PC upgrade. Please, can you excuse me because I have a cold. So if I have any if my voice is different or whatever, if I sound bunged up, etc. So yeah, I'll be installing this Fractal Design Integra R2 750 watt processor. Power supply. Why did I say that? Right. So what you gotta do? You gotta open up your case. You get your current power supply. You make sure everything's unplugged beforehand. Try and earth the case as well. Take some anti-static precautions. So what you gotta do is you unplugged any sort of cables that are plugged into the motherboard and the hard drive and any sort of disk drives you have, and then you have to undo the case screws for the power supply, and then you just take it out, put this to one side. Right, so didn't mean to bang that there. We get it in the right position. There we are. Then you just push it into place. Should be in. I'll do the case screws later once I've made sure that the thing's working. So in this whole mass of wires, let's find it. Right, let's have a look. Let's start with one of these. We'll start with the P1 cable if I can find it. There it is. P1. Is it? Yeah, looks like it. Just move it underneath these wires. Right, that should go in there. If you can see that. So each one of these, if you can see the color of the wires, each wire has a different voltage. With I think it's black being earth. So plug this in. Should fit. There we are. Doesn't go the whole way through. You plug in this extra bit. Plug it in. I think it's in. There we are. Got it in. Right. Other cables. Let's have a look. This cable. I think you can see it. It says CPU on it. That will be plugged in. It's right there. Yeah. One very close to the CPU and the fan and heatsink. Right. Let's get the other cables plugged in. The SATA cables go into these slots on the optical drive and the hard drive. These ones are a bit tough to get in. I've got that in there, the hard drive now, and I've got that one in the optical drive. So yeah, I think that should be the only ones that I need to plug in. The wires are a bit messy at the moment, but I'll clean them up. Like, I'll clean them up later. I got some cable ties and stuff with this power supply. So make sure there's airflow, etc. So going to test it. Just make sure that everything's plugged in. Yeah. I'll get the case on. Plug it in. Oh god. I remembered I haven't got the screws in yet on the thing, so I'll just quickly push it in. There we are. I'm sure you can see it. I've got the power cable plugged in now. Turn it on. It's not incredibly safe, but I'm just testing it. Oh yeah, I need to make sure the light is on as well. What's wrong with it? No, it's not plugged in. That's why it's not working. Whoops. It's plugged in now. Check. Yep. Not sure you can see it. Let's just turn the lamp off. The light is on. So it has the power. Just press the on button. Hopefully this works. Looks like it's starting up. Yep, it's working. So I could say that this is a successful install. I heard that there was another beep, so there must be other problems, but as you can see, it's working. After I sort out the other problem, it should be working, but I can't hear anything. Nothing's on fire or anything. I can't smell any smoke, though I am a bit blocked up. No, doesn't seem like there's any problems. It's not getting incredibly hot, etc. So this is how I've done it. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.